Hello students. So this is the second part of the topic bacterial growth. So in the previous video uh, I have talked about what is bacterial growth and what are the different phases of bacterial growth. So bacteria is a prokaryotic microorganisms that mainly grow by the process of binary fission, and the bacterial growth occur in symmetrical or in exponential manner. So growth curve of bacteria. So the bacterial growth is divided into four phases: lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, death phase. So growth curve is a curve of time against number of bacterial cell, number of logarithm of bacterial cell. So this is a growth curve of bacteria. As you can see, in lag phase there is no growth, and in log phase there the growth rate of the bacteria is the highest, and stationary phase then the growth rate and the death rate is equal. So the curve is uh, linear. Then there is a death phase or decline phase. Due to the death of the microorganisms, the number will be decreased. So this is the growth curve of bacteria, or this is the overall way how a bacterial growth occur in a culture medium. So I will discuss the all the four phases one by one. The first phase is lag phase. During lag phase, bacteria adapt themselves to the growth condition. It is the period where the individual bacteria are maturing and not yet able to divide. So for bacterial growth we need a culture media, and in culture media all the nutrients that bacteria require is present, and the oxygen required is provided. They get themselves from the atmosphere. So all these conditions, first the bacteria adapt to these conditions and make it ready for growth. During the lag phase of bacterial growth cycle, synthesis of RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, then enzymes, and then the other molecules occur. During the lag phase, cell changes very little because the cells do not immediately reproduce in a new medium. So lag phase is basically the adaptation phase of the bacteria. It adapt itself with the surrounding environment provided by the culture media and the surrounding atmosphere. Next phase is the log phase. The log phase is a period characterized by cell doubling. So after in lag phase, the bacteria adapt themselves to the environment, and after when it reaches to the log phase, it start multiplying, or it start growing, or by the process of binary fission in exponential or geometrical manner. The number of new bacteria appearing per unit time is proportional to the present population. Exponential growth cannot continue indefinitely. However, because the medium is soon depleted of the nutrients and enriched with waste. So, like log phase will last for a certain period of time, because the medium containing at the culture medium the contain nutrient will exhausted by the bacteria for their growth. So due to the lack of nutrients, the growth of the bacteria will slow down. So this will start the next phase, that is called the stationary phase. The stationary phase is often due to growth limiting factors such as depletion of an essential nutrient, or the formation of an inhibitory product such as organic acids. Stationary phase results from a situation in which growth rate and death rate are equal. The number of new cells are created is limited by the growth factor. As a result of the cell growth, matches with the rate of cell death. So the next phase is the death phase. Death phase or decline phase is the phase where the bacteria dies. This could be caused by the lack of nutrients, environmental temperature above or below the tolerance band for that species, or other injurious condition. So in death phase, bacteria will exhaust all the nutrients present in the culture media, and due to the presence of other metabolites like organic acids, the death of the bacteria will occur, so that the rate at which so that the bacterial growth rate will decline, and that's why in the curve, as you can see, the bacterial the curve will move downward in the decline or death phase. So this is the overall discussion about the phases of bacterial growth. In the next video, I will discuss the factor that influence the growth of bacteria. Thank you.